Welcome to my channel.
Chair.
She sat on the wooden chair.
Table.
The books are on the table.
Sofa.
He is sleeping on the sofa.
Bed.
I made my bed in the morning.
Pillow.
I need a soft pillow to sleep.
Blanket.
She covered herself with a blanket.
Fan.
The fan is spinning fast.
Light.
Turn off the light before leaving.
Bulb.
The bulb is not working.
Curtain.
I opened the curtain to let sunlight in.
Mirror.
She looked at herself in the mirror.
Window.
Close the window, it's raining.
Door.
Please lock the door.
Cupboard.
The plates are in the cupboard.
Shelf.
Books are arranged on the shelf.
Clock.
The clock shows 10 o'clock.
Carpet.
The carpet is soft and clean.
Mat.
Wipe your feet on the mat.
Towel.
I dried my hands with a towel.
Bucket.
The bucket is full of water.
Mug.
I drink coffee from a big mug.
Comb.
She combed her hair with a comb.
Toothbrush.
Use your toothbrush twice a day.
Toothpaste.
I bought a new toothpaste.
Soap.
Wash your hands with soap.
Shampoo.
She washed her hair with shampoo.
Hanger.
Hang your clothes on the hanger.
Iron.
He ironed his shirt before work.
Washing machine.
The washing machine is running.
Refrigerator.
Keep the milk in the refrigerator.
Socket.
I plugged my phone charger into the socket.
Dustpan.
After sweeping the floor, I collected the dust with a dustpan.
Plunger.
We needed a plunger to unclog the bathroom sink.
Charger.
I need a charger for my phone.
Laptop.
He is working on his laptop.
Battery.
The battery is low on charge.
Remote.
Use the remote to change the channel.
Switch.
Turn on the light switch.
Lock.
Lock the door when you leave.
Key.
I lost my house key.
Dustbin.
Throw the trash in the dustbin.
Broom.
Sweep the floor with a broom.
Laundry basket.
She put all the dirty clothes in the laundry basket.
Fuse box.
If the lights go out, check the fuse box first.
Swimming pool.
The children are playing in the swimming pool.
Water filter.
We drink clean water from the water filter.
Coaster.
Put the glass on a coaster to avoid stains.
Ladder.
He used a ladder to change the light bulb.
Lamp.
The lamp is on the study table.
Candle.
I lit a candle during the power cut. Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.